In an evening such as we have tonight, a 10-year celebration, one would imagine that one should perhaps have a special guest speaker to reflect on the decade of Cheder Chabad. Well, we have a very special guest speaker, one who will reflect on why Cheder was special to him. He's one of our own homegrown students who's been in Cheder almost since its inception. He's been in Cheder for 9 years. And he's going to share with us some of his reflections of Cheder. So ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming Menachem Mendel Krasniansky, who's a member of the 7th grade Cheder Chabad Boys Division.
Hi, my name is Mendel Krasniansky. I'm in 7th grade. This is my 9th year in Cheder Chabad. I came here in the 2nd year of school in 2000. I would like to share with you some memories from each year. In kindergarten, we were in someone's basement on Valencia Court. I remember that every day my mother took a walk with us to Viola Park. It was a lot of fun. In Pre-1A, we were first in a basement on Jill Lane, and then we moved to a basement on Route 306 across the street from Wesley Kosher. I remember as Rachel Baron and Chevy Schusterman. I remember that year we learned Korean how to read English. In 1st grade, we were in the basement in a house off Union Road. We had Rabbi Rosenberg, and I remember that our class consisted of 3 kids, me, Mendel Litzman, and Chaim David Elkind. And when 2 kids were absent, then the kid that came could learn everything quickly and go home early. And in the middle of the year, Andy Brash, Rabbi Schusterman's grandson, came to learn with us. In 2nd grade, we were on North Main Street in a building. We had Rabbi Hamburger and Mrs. Hershkowitz. I remember that right before Shavuos, Mrs. Hershkowitz took us to her house to make Rice Krispie treats. In 3rd grade, we were in the same building as when we were in 2nd grade, and we had Rabbi Rifkin and Mrs. Wellner. I remember that Rabbi Rifkin took us to an old age home to do Mivtzayim, and we lit Hanukkah candles with the elderly people. That was the first of many times I went to Mivtzayim. In 4th grade, we were in the same building again, and we had Rabbi Roth and Mrs. Yaffe. I remember that year, we went on our first school trip to the Isle of the Rebbe for Yud Shvat. In 5th grade, we were in the same building again, but we moved to another part of the building. We had Rabbi Gurkov and Mrs. Schwartz. I remember that in the end of the year, Mrs. Schwartz took us to her house to play and have a goodbye party, and we teamed up in groups to make a food which was connected to a game and then play the game and eat the food. Then we had a grand game of kickball. In 6th grade, we were in the Young Israel on Parker. We had Rabbi Munitz and Rabbi Gurkov. One thing I remember was that Rabbi Munitz took us on a lot of trips. Some of the places we went to were Katgat Park and 7-Eleven. They were fun trips. In 7th grade, I'm in the Papa building on Whitman Court. I have Rabbi Silber and Mr. Block. One highlight so far is that Mr. Block lets us see cells through a microscope. To summarize everything I wrote, I would like to say that Cheder Chabad instilled in me true love for the Rebbeim, and especially for the Nesi Adar, our Rebbe. I would like to thank Rabbi Schusterman and Rabbi Vlovic and all the staff and teachers of Cheder Chabad for all their hard work and effort. Thank you.
Thank you.